Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. I'm finally pleased to say I got started on the lean-to. Now this has been slow going. I started it last Friday and I've been doing this by myself. Lori will come out every once in a while, and if I need a second set of hands she'll give me some help, but it's just a long, slow going process, but I got started on it. And this weekend, my buddy Matt, who we call Gnome, is coming up, and we're hoping to get the roof siding on and maybe some side paneling. I still got to do some framing down at this end for the tractor entrance, and I got to frame up a little bit down there to screw some tin on, but hopefully pretty soon here, this will be wrapped up. And I did get these seats mounted in this John boat. I took it out a couple times, tested it with the trolling motor. Seems pretty comfortable, the seats work good. This is going to get some use out of it. There's a few more things I want to add, but I'm liking it. There have been some people in the comments section asking if I've gotten the 69 Pontiac Firebird out. And the wife and I have a few times already this year. There's a couple little things we need to address. Nothing major, but we want to, before we really start taking this out a lot, I want to get a couple things tweaked on this. But we have been taking it out. And speaking of comments, I try to comment, or I do comment on every single one of your guys' comments. I'll make some kind of reply. And I've noticed over the past couple weeks, more than half of the comments that I replied to disappear the following day. They're just gone. I give them a thumbs up and I heart them, which is still visible, but the comment's completely gone. I don't know what's happening. I know a few other folks have told me that their comments were disappearing, but I just want you to be aware that I comment to everyone on every one of my videos. And if you don't see it, it's because it got zapped for some way, shape, or form by YouTube. I don't know what's going on. We also got this barn guest room cleaned up. It's actually nice in here. This is how it's supposed to look. Clean, organized, not cluttered with a bunch of stuff that we just dumped in here over the last couple of years. So some of the guests coming up here over the next month and a half, this is where you're going to be staying. I think you'll enjoy it here. And I'll tell you, there's not going to be a lot of meat and potatoes to this Ohio Country Life vlog. I simply haven't filmed anything over the last 7 days. I took my GoPro out once or twice when I was fishing, and I'm putting together a cheesy little video to put up on Old Guy with Land with that footage. But as far as projects go around here, with the lean-to, getting the barn cleaned up and everything else, I just haven't been filming it. I've just been focused on getting the jobs done. Now here soon, there are some things I'm going to get filmed, and I talked about that in some previous videos. So I will get back into the groove of putting together some other videos, some different content to post here. I just haven't taken the time to put anything together for the last 7 days. And I'll tell you what, to be quite honest, it was a refreshing break. And with that, I think I'm going to sign off. Again, this is a short video. I just thought I'd put up some updates, let you know I've been extremely busy with projects, and that's about it. Kind of boring, actually. But anyway, thanks for joining me here today on Schick Happens. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me for a few minutes. I hope you're having a great week, and until next time, cheers.